Hello, welcome to my channel, welcome to my page. Thanks for clicking on this video. Please watch this video to the end, like and share. Enjoy watching. In this bowl I have 2 cups of beans. I will leave the link at the comment section how to wash or how to peel your beans. I have red bell pepper here and scotch bonnet pepper. This is fresh pepper. This is onions. This is catfish. You can use mackerel fish if that is what you have. And this is garlic. It's optional. This is seasoning cube. I'll break it into 2 parts. In this place, I have blended crayfish. This is blended crayfish, 1 spoon. 2, olive oil. Going to add water to help my blender. That's onion. Seasoning cube. Blended crayfish. Olive oil. Grounded pepper. Paprika. This is oil. This is the pan I'm going to use to bake my moimoi. It is time to bake my moimoi, so I'm taking it straight to the oven. Please stay tuned, watch the video to the end. Thank you. My moimoi is ready. Bring your plates, let us share it. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. If you have not liked this video, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Comment on this video. Let me know where you are watching from. Please share. Help your sister. Share this video. And thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.